Titomic's mobile cold spray systems are the fastest and easiest way to repair and restore metal surfaces. Whether repairing steel structures, engines, cylinders, or anything in between, the D523 builds up metal coatings to restore parts and protect substrates against corrosion in minutes without heat. Because there's no heat, there's no risk of cracking, warping, or changes to the metal's grain structure. It also means that dissimilar metals can be fused, such as nickel, onto cast iron, copper, onto aluminium, and many more combinations. The system works by accelerating metal particles to supersonic speeds. Upon impact, the metal particles deform and consolidate, converting the powders to a solid metal and bounding it to the substrate. The system has two hoppers, one for grit blasting powder and one for metal powder. With this, operators can easily blast away corrosion and worn paint, and with a flick of a switch swap over to the second hopper to begin spraying metal in seconds. The D523 enables restoration of parts and surfaces faster than any comparable method, leading to save time and costs. Get in touch through Titomic.com.